Pakistan is the country with the second largest Muslim population in the world. The Indus River located here is the largest river in South Asia and is one of the largest rivers in the world. The oldest civilization of the world also arose from this Indus River. Pakistan is the 9th largest country in the world, the majority of whose population can speak and understand English. Our country's mystical, classical, and pop singing is most loved all over the world. Pakistan has the honor of being the 7th nuclear power in the world and the first nuclear power in the Islamic world. Gwadar is the largest deep-sea port in the world. Large reserves of oil and gas exist in Pakistan. Asia's most peaceful motorway is located in Pakistan. Thar is the world's 18th largest desert and the world's 9th largest hot subtropical desert. The second largest salt mine in the world is located in Pakistan. The world's highest paved road is located in Karakoram, Pakistan. The 5th largest coal reserves are located in Pakistan. The 5th largest reserves of gold and copper are also a feature of beloved country. It is the 5th largest country in the world in terms of milk production. It has the 6th largest armed forces in the world. The largest ambulance service in the world is in Pakistan, known to the world as Aidhi. Benazir Bhutto from Pakistan got the honor of being the first woman Prime Minister of the Islamic world. The Faisal Mosque, located in the capital city of Islamabad, is one of the largest mosques in the world. Khan Matar Zai is one of the highest railway station in Asia. Pakistan has also raised flags of success in sports fields. Pakistan has the honor of winning the most 4 hockey World Cups, won the Cricket World Cup in 1992, won the T20 World Cup in 2009, and won the Champions Trophy in 2017. Besides winning many tri-nation and 4-nation tournaments, the journey to rule the squash world started from Hashim Khan to Jahangir Khan and Jansher Khan, and continued for decades. In snooker, Mohammad Youssef has won the title of world champion once, while Muhammad Asif has won it twice. If seen, Pakistan is considered as one of the major countries in terms of car manufacturing industry. Large automobile manufacturing plants are operating across the country and contributing to the country's development. Pakistan's textile products are loved all over the world, and the country earns a lot of foreign exchange through textile exports. Faisalabad has a prominent position in terms of textile industry. Football is the most popular sport in the world, and footballs made in Pakistan are the first choice worldwide due to their quality. Similarly, cricket, hockey, badminton, and other sports equipments are also manufactured here. The city of Sialkot in Pakistan has its own unique recognition in the world regarding the manufacture of sports equipment. Pakistan earns decent foreign exchange from sports goods exports. Karachi is the stronghold of various industries and the backbone of the country's economy. Dear country appears to be a beautiful bouquet of different cultures and civilizations. Pakistan has world's 5th largest Hindu population. It is the best example of interfaith harmony, where all the minorities enjoy complete freedom. Christianity is the 3rd largest religion in Pakistan. For the Sikh community, Pakistan went the extra mile because it is the land where the founder of Sikhism, Baba Guru Nanak Dev Ji, was born. Pakistan won the hearts of the Sikh community living across the world through the Kartarpur corridor. The handicrafts of different regions here are appreciated all over the world, and they also earn a decent amount of foreign exchange. Being an agricultural country, 20% of the country's gross income is derived from the agriculture sector. Pakistan is 7th largest producer of wheat, 5th largest producer of cotton, 20th largest producer of livestock, 5th largest producer of sugarcane, 6th largest producer of mango. Pakistan is 11th largest market of poultry. The great mission of exposing the country's farmers to modern methods of agriculture is underway, thereby enabling and encouraging increase in agricultural production. Pakistan is one of the countries with the highest mountain ranges in the world. 5 of the 14 highest mountains in the world are located in Pakistan, of which K2 is the 2nd highest mountain in the world. Pakistan is the center of attraction for tourists from all over the world due to its beautiful valleys, picturesque waterfalls, rivers, beautiful beaches, and vast landscapes. Tourists from all over the world visit here and return to their countries with beautiful memories. The great scientists of Pakistan have made the world awestruck by their amazing achievements at the international level. Pakistan is a great blessing of nature, and its journey of progress and success will continue forever.